So get ready with me to do the cursive writing practice. So let's go. I'm finding my I'm gonna do this. So let's go. I'm not good at this for real. Almost done. So I'm done with the first. This one. So let's do the second. Sorry, it's like noisy here because my family is so noisy. Let's do the O now. Oh. I'll try my best. I'm done. I'm done with the O. Let's do next this one. So I'm done. Let's do the next. Sorry, it's noisy out there because my family is eating. I forgot that's the last. So bye. See you later. Bye. Love you.